Hello aspiring JavaScript developers, W3Schools is a fantastic platform for learning JavaScript and I'm here to guide you through the process. Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to www.w3schools.com. In the main navigation menu, hover over the Learn tab and select JavaScript. This will take you to the JavaScript tutorial page. W3Schools provides a comprehensive JavaScript tutorial that covers everything from the basics to advanced topics. Begin by familiarizing yourself with fundamental concepts such as variables, data types, and control structures. W3Schools offers numerous examples throughout the JavaScript tutorial. As you progress through the tutorial, be sure to examine the code examples provided. Experiment with modifying the code and observe how it affects the output. Take advantage of W3Schools' interactive writer self-editor alongside each code example. In addition to JavaScript tutorial, W3Schools provides references, quizzes, and exercises to further enhance your understanding. Consistent practice is key to mastering JavaScript. If you encounter difficulties or have any questions while learning JavaScript, don't hesitate to seek help on the W3Schools community forum where you can ask questions and get assistance from other learners and experts. And that's it. By following these steps and utilizing the resources available on W3Schools, you'll be well on your way to becoming proficient in JavaScript. Happy coding, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.